Hello, Assalamualaikum friends. How are you all? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Umm-E-Hani Fun Vlogs. And this is me, Umm-E-Hani Kamran. I hope that everyone is doing great. And today is 12th Rabi Ai-Awwal. So yeah. And I heard that today is Defense Day as well. So yep. And nothing special. I mean, yeah, something special, but also on the other hand, nothing special. I don't know. But look what I am wearing. Look at my dress. Look at my scrunchies. And another scrunchie. And I did not really do much of the makeup, but oh, yup, my earrings are like, wow. So yeah, and my mom is cooking plow. I mean, she's almost done with it. And a few hours back, I was making some short clips. So yep. My mom was cooking plow, and it took around 2 to 3 hours. And I was like, I thought that it might get cooked kind of early, but no, it was meat, not chicken. So yeah, and I cannot seem to understand what was he putting. I only understood the rice part. Other than that, I was a little confused, but the results, this turned out amazing and yummy. Like, yum, yum, yum. No, actually, num, num, num. See, I told you, the results turned out amazing. Like, look at that. I hope your mouth is watering. Oh my gosh, look at my food. Mm. Mm. That's actually very good. I mean, delicious, mashallah. Oh. Hmm. Oh my gosh. That is hard. Like, I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at that. I got this spoon. So let's go for it. That looks tasty. Oh. Hmm. That's actually very good. That's actually very good. So today is 12th review level. So look at the amount of distribution. Whoa. I bet there's more coming, I guess. My gosh, more biryani. And sweet? What is that called? I forgot the name. Let me ask my mother.
Imarti.
Huh?
Imarti.
Marty.
Imarti.
Marty. Okay, Marty. Alright. There were more boxes like these. So like, yeah, this is what I distributed to the children yesterday. But like, I totally forgot to make clips up for it. I was like, did I make the fit check video? If not, let me make that real quick. This was like the fit check of my dress. Like, hey everybody, how are you all doing? Look at me, I look so pretty. Yay. and I was feeling bored later on. No, like actually, trust me, I was like, I got bored and I was like, what do I do? And then I realized that I have homework. So not exactly homework, but like a lot of work. So I was like, let me do it. I was a little scared due to ink and all, and I was like wearing this dress for the first time. It was new, so due to that, I was like a little scared because ink it's sometimes risky. So, but yep, I managed it. It was not that bad, and the work it's like I still had a lot of work, but yeah, that time nothing special happened. So yeah, I was like doing work. These lightings were honestly beautiful. I used to be like, oh, there must be like decorations and all going on. But I was like stunned because I told my dad to make this video and he made it, and I was like watching this video and I was like stunned, like, oh my gosh, the lighting is so like beautiful. Like look at that, it's like more it's giving more like colorful vibes. So now I'm gonna be eating custard. There's like a lot of dessert items, but I thought like let's eat this. And today there's like a lot of food coming, like biryani, and then and a lot of like plow as well. So yeah, and a lot of dessert items. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I love food. So yeah, my father is like, do not overeat, okay? Do not overeat. And I'm gonna be eating this custard. Looks good. It looks yummy. It looks green and yellow. Okay, it's mine. Mmm. That's tasty, jelly, and soft, and nice in your mouth. Actually, very good, tasty. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this little cozy sort of vlog, more like a food sort of vlog. So yep, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and also follow me on Instagram. Keep messaging me there. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. So till then, guys, take care. Bye.